The 5000A Jump Starter Kit boasts a peak current of 5000 amperes, making it capable of jump-starting 12-volt vehicles, including those with gas and diesel engines up to 10 liters. Equipped with an advanced 4-cell battery, this jump starter ensures stable and reliable current, even under low battery conditions or in cold weather. This versatile device also functions as a power bank with a large capacity of 26,800 milliampere-hours, featuring multiple output ports for charging various devices. The built-in 500 lumens flashlight with 3 modes, including flash, strobe, and SOS, provides essential lighting during emergencies or outdoor activities. Extended jumper cables measuring 3.94 inches allow easy access to battery poles, while 10 intelligent safety protections prevent incorrect connections or sparks. With a 3-year extended warranty and lifetime technical support, the 5000A Jump Starter Kit offers peace of mind and reliable customer service.